The process that was designed by MVB for us using this pallet transfer mechanism, it's 10 times blazing faster than what we used to. What we presented MVB with a way to automate our welding process and our urethane product. What this machine does is it takes the raw material straight through those trim stations, transfers it through the welder. The welder will then weld it and then trim it at the final station. We got a final product out there. It would take about 1,000 parts through here in about 3 hours. It would take 2 days to run in the assembly cell.